Hello everyone, this is Zahid. Welcome to my channel. Now in this section is going to look at how to create virtual machines from Oracle VirtualBox. So let's download Oracle VirtualBox. Let's say Oracle VirtualBox download. So this is actually free download. So I'll go to Oracle VirtualBox sites. I'm going to download Windows Host. I'm going to save this one in my folder, one of the document folder or downloads in here. Once I download, then after that I'm going to install this one. It's downloading at the moment. Now I'm going to install this one. So click here and user account control. I say yes. So I just want to install this one in my computer. I'll follow this step. Click next. Next. And need to proceed with the installation now. Is saying installations, the Oracle VirtualBox network features will reset your network connections. I think that's fine. Say yes. Missing dependencies, Python code, this one. Proceed with installation now. Say yes. So basically, I need that one as well. Install. So basically, you leave it all the options as it is default, and basically you go through the installation process. So basically, it's installing this one now. Start Oracle VirtualBox. So after installation, so that's fine. I'll click on finish. So my Oracle VirtualBox has been downloaded. And this is the face, basically. You can see this Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So from here, we'll be able to manage our virtual machines. We'll be able to create our virtual machines. Now, once we install, after that, there are some buttons in here. First thing, I'll click on New. Name it. I'll say ZVM1. So that's my name basically, and I put Z and VM1. So this is the locations these virtual machines will be saved. Image. I need operating system image. Let's say I'll click here. I'll select others. I'm going to pick up one of the operating system. Okay, I have one of the image, which is I'm going to pick up Windows Server 2022, this operating system. So I'm going to select that one. This is Windows Servers, standard evaluations, evaluation, desktop experience. I'm going to make sure you select desktop because other one is just code. It doesn't have any GUI. So I'm going to select desktop experience and operating system. This OS type can be installed unattended. Skip unattended installations. So you have selected to skip unattended guest OS installation. The guest OS will need to be installed manually. Okay, I'll do manually basically. Otherwise, it may miss something. Click next. So base memory 2048 MB, that's fine. Processor, one CPU should be fine, but I'll put two processor or up to 8 processor you can select. I can put 3, 4 processor I can select basically. So more processor you put, it will be faster. But one processor, two processor should be fine. And then click next. I need actually 20 GB roughly around that, but it's selected 50 GB, which is fine. Leave it like that. Click next. So this is basically the disk. These virtual machines will select and all the operating system will be installed inside this disk. Click next. After that, we have, this is the name basically, skip unattended installations, hardware, base memory, processor, disk space, pretty much all this stuff we have. I'll click on finish. So basically that's my summary of this VM. Now at the moment it's powered off. So basically I'll double click this one. In this way, my VM is starting now. So this is just notifications basically. At the moment is loading the file, so I can close these notifications. It's loading my operating system files. Close these notifications. After that, I need to select in here. So time and currency, language to install, time and currency, and keyboard type. So it will be default. You can change this one later on anytime. And click install now. Setup is starting at the moment. So in here, it is actually giving me some options to choose the operating system here. Standard evaluation, this is basically core. Standard evaluation desktop experience. I want to have desktop experience. So there's a data centers, there's another editions, but at the moment, standard evaluation desktop experience should be fine in majority of the cases. So click next. I need to select terms and conditions and click next. So when you do any new installations, is always you choose custom. Upgrade is for like older editions. So if any editions you are upgrading, then you need this one. Otherwise, custom. So you just select custom. And this is my 50 GB disk space earlier we have selected. Now click next. Basically is installing now. So operating systems, it will install on that particular 50 GB space. So in this way, you can create any of these virtual machines. So let's say Windows 10 or any Linux VM you want to create, or Windows servers operating system you want to create. So process will be all same. All of the process will be same. All you have to do, just set up in this way. After that, you need to select operating system you want to install. In our case, it's actually installing the Windows servers standard desktop experience. So once it's gone through all the file installations, let's say getting files ready for installations, it will be done 100%. It will install all the features and updates and finish up. And pretty much after that, you need to put username and password. In this way, the entire process will be there and your VM will be configured properly. Once your VM is configured properly, after that you can assign IP address probably if required, or you can change the device name, or you can configure Active Directory domain services, and then after that you can use that virtual machines based on your requirements. Basically taking a bit of time. So once 100% done, then we'll be able to see the complete installations. Okay, so my VM is ready now. So just put the password and click finish. So basically my server is ready now. So I have installed these servers in my Oracle VirtualBox. So click here and then I can put my password. So you can do all the management from the top. There's a file, machines, view, full screen mode, and other mode we have. Input, you can put your keyboard, Control Alt Delete, you can pretty much work from here. So all the basic management outside the servers you can do in this way. But once you log in, pretty much you can do all this stuff. So my server is ready now. After that, you can set up, you can do all the basic setup. After that, how to configure servers and how to configure Active Directory domain services. We have some more videos around that. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you.